Which data set is symmetric? First, let's talk a little bit about what symmetric means. If you plot a data set and it's symmetric, the data on one half will mirror what's on the other half. So if we look at our data sets, we need to make sure that they are symmetric. In fact, the data on the left-hand side and the right-hand side are similar. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at outliers. Most of the information looks like it's between 17 and 23. So anything outside that range we're going to underline as an outlier. We have 67, 42, and 39 in our first set of data as outliers. In our second set, we don't have any outliers. They all fall between 17 and 23. In our third set, we have 177, 119, and 202. Again, 3 outliers. In data set D, we have 88, 68, and 110. Now, a data set can be symmetric and have outliers, but the outliers need to be symmetric. They need to be equally distributed on either side of the median point. And if you notice, in each one of these data sets, all the outliers lie on one side of the data set. So those will be skewed in relationship to one that has no outliers. So let's just take a look at the graph of data set B to confirm that it is symmetric. Let's come over to our calculator, hit Stat 1 for edit, and in our L1 column, let's put our B data. Then hit Second, Stat Plot 1. Make sure the plot is on. Select the type as a histogram. The X list should be L1, and the frequency should be 1. Next, hit Window, arrow down to X scale, and make sure that it is 1. Then hit Zoom and 9. This is the graph of our data. And if you notice, if you draw a line down the middle of the data, what's on one side mirrors what's on the other side. So the correct answer choice is B.